I want to go home.
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 Okay, I want to go home now.
I'm fine just the way I am. I want to go home.
Joe, hurry up. I want to go home.
I want to go home now. I'm worried about Steven.
What's wrong?
I want to go home. I want to go home.
Neither of us is going home for a long time, kid.
Let me go. I want to go home.
What home? You've lost your home.
I want to go home. Please don't be mad.
You think I'm fighting this war so they'll sing songs about me? I want to go home.
Jen, this is the possibility to change your life. To fulfill your dreams.
I want to go home right now.
Aren't you happy here in London with me?
I want to go home.
Help! Can anyone hear me? I want to go home.
I want to go home.
We can't. We stick together no matter what. And take care of anyone who gets in our way.
I want to go home.
No problem. Doctor said you could come home tomorrow. Then we can go home.
Assholes you worked for tried to kill me. So I killed them instead. Now I want to go home. Is that gonna be a problem?